Let's start off with some state of the markets talk broadly. Again, just like very, very broad. Bitcoin up near $82,000, ETH at 2.4, and Solana doing a little bit of damage here at 88.9 right now. Interesting to see gold up to 4.7 as well. Gold has been crushing for a long while. Crude oil has had a hell of a day, kind of back up, back down. International developments are playing, kind of whipsaw in the oil markets. And then copper as well. Shout out to the copper folks, $6.2. I think all of these things you can buy on chain at this point as well, for the record. And some things that are going on in the markets you should probably be aware of. First, President Trump pauses Project Freedom, hoping to get closer towards a deal with Iran. This is very good news, I will say. Trump basically saying we're going to try to open the Strait of Hormuz to all and get some regulation going back into the markets here. It's very bullish. Interestingly, there's also been a ton of
potential insider trading.
Right before the announcement, something like $900 million in shorts were opened, and obviously those ended up paying off before things bounced back up. It's a very, very wild time. If this holds, I think it's clear skies ahead for a lot of financial markets. All of this kind of means fresh highs for the S&P 500 on Tuesday as well, which is insane. Chip makers continuing to rally. Intel up 13% on the Apple deal reports. Q1 earnings are tracking 28% year-on-year growth. Very strong. Everything's green across the board. You've seen a lot of this in crypto as well, I will say. Hopefully some more of this trickles down. Crypto markets, as you probably know, are further out on the risk curve than the equity markets. And then one story to really keep an eye on, Apollo has crossed $1 trillion in AUM with a T. Apollo is one of the biggest, I suppose now the biggest kind of name in private credit. Also, a big fan of Solana. Their ACRED product has been tokenized for quite some time now, thanks to the homies over at Securitize. It's been very murky times. These are oftentimes kind of opaque in their valuations and have some exposure and potential some risk as well if there's like write-downs because they're not marked to market constantly. So this is very much a story to watch. I think that if there is a large problem in financial markets, it's probably going to start with private credit. It's kind of been the story for a little while, but seeing Apollo continue to grow is a little bit of a reassurance. People are not as scared here.